So it's October 13th right now, and I've got some water sitting here. It's been about 5 or 6 days since it had a big rain. Um, Overall, I think it's a half and halfer because in September it rained a lot. It rained so much I couldn't get back here, and the camera showed that the water sat here for about 24 days. So this thing is not going to hold water forever, but I think it's going to hold water more in the cooler temperatures. In the summer, I don't think this is going to do me any good. I guess I could keep trying and maybe painting some more on the bottom. That seems to have helped out a lot. But I'm going to see how it goes further on in the winter time. But this is what it's sitting with right now with the one rain about 5 days ago. Like I said, 2 weeks ago, no wait, like I said, about a month ago, it rained really hard, and it sat for a little over 3 weeks, the water. So it held its own for a while, but it's not the big thing that I was hoping for. Like I said, it's not huge, it's not deep, but it's holding water, and I got some pictures of some wildlife coming in here, some deer, some coyotes, some raccoons, things like that coming to get a little drink. So I don't know. Y'all can tell me if this was a success or a complete failure, but it's holding a little bit, not as much, but way better than what it was before. So here's my last update for now. There might be another one in a couple months. We'll see how the wintertime goes with the rain and how long it holds it then. But again, it's October 13th, and this is my quick update.